Hey, I'm Tim. A couple of days ago, I was coding for another project and I got a pretty good idea. On Mega Man Maker, a game I play, the music is stored on those NSF files. And if you want to add custom music, you need to get an NSF, one that only has one track in it, and then you need to replace one of the original NSF files to the one you want to use. That is a hassle, and for me it wasn't worth the effort. All of that was just for one song after all. If you want to play a level that uses another song, well, I hope you like that one instead. So I decided to make a program that could change the music in Mega Man Maker on any level while you are playing it. I've never made an actual graphical program before, so I first started by researching how to make a window in Python. Why Python? Well, because that is what I'm most comfortable with, and it has a big module selection. At the end, I decided that I would use PySimpleGUI for, well, making the GUI, the window. Then, with just one line of code, I had already my first window. Then I played a little with it to try and learn how it worked. After a while, I had the basic layout, but at the moment, it just doesn't do anything. The actual program is missing. I didn't record all of the coding, so let me show you the current code. Basically, I made a few pieces of code, one that checks if you are in the correct folder, and then one that moves the music folder to another one called original music. Then it recreates that folder and file structure, but with your file. Essentially, it just replaces the Mega Maker music with your custom NSF while keeping the file names the same. That is because the game crashes if a NSF file is missing. Then I also made a function that replaces the now changed music folder with the files in original music to reset the music to its original state. Then I linked those actions to the buttons in the window and we have a program. I called it NSF Changer and it's free and open source. I made it in like 3 days total. I'll leave a link in the description so that you can download it. Here's how to use the program. It's really easy. You can choose the NSF file that you want to apply to Mega Man Maker, and on the next box you choose where your Mega Man Maker copy is stored. After that, you can just click Replace NSF, and now every song in Mega Man Maker will be the one you chose. But remember that if you already have the game opened, the music will not apply immediately because it already loaded the previous NSF file. To apply it, you just need to reload the song by clicking retry or reset from checkpoint. Or you can just fall into a pit, that works too. And it works pretty good. Let's try it out. If you then want to restore the original songs, you just click the restore button. That's NSF Changer. I hope you all find it useful. I plan on adding more features to it, like only changing the menu songs or a button to mute the music, and improving performance. I hope you all have a great day. I see you on the next project.